This is the GTW465, and what we are going to do now is we are doing a load here of several sheets, as you can all see all around in there. And this washing machine appears to have an issue with spinning while having heavy objects in it, as most suspension-based high-efficiency washers do. So we've got it set here on towels and sheets with the maximum water level. And we've got deep rinse on. And what we're going to do is see if when this goes to spin, if it will go out of balance or not. This is the maximum water level that you can achieve with the water selector. We're going to experiment and see if there are other ways that we can get this water level to rise aside from pushing the deep fill button. First, let's see what happens if we set our knob selector to bulky items. Aha, deep fill comes up. This is the sensing phase. And it has decided not to do the deep fill. See what happens if we push it. It seems impossible to use up the last, 3 or 4 inches of the tub space. As far as I'm concerned, this should be high on the water level. Let's try something else. Let's try towels and sheets again. But this time, let's push the deep fill button and see what occurs. Okay. Deep fill is on. However, we are just still washing at the same water level. Very strange. It appears to be not possible to on the spot adjust the water level of the GTW465 washing machine. While the water level selector is definitely functional, it definitely puts proportionally far less water in than traditional water selection levels would be on a washer. I assume what this is this is the delicate wash action. There is no low-speed motor winding in these washers. It is just the high-speed intermittent. And now we are back to full speed agitation. You're going to see if this washer is able to spin with these towels and sheets inside of it. These washers are known to be somewhat unreliable with spinning heavy items due to their suspension systems, which are quite loose and do not fixate the drum in one place or really resist any sort of movement at all. So we're going to go ahead and see firsthand if this washer is able to spin with these bed sheets inside of it. And here we go. Alright, so good so far. There's an annoying clicking though with this washer. Here it goes in the low speed. And that's it for the first spin cycle. This is now the washer on deep fill. What I assume to be deep fill, as the light is on. In addition, the water level does appear to be slightly higher. This is honestly what this load needs. This washer does not have a heavy-duty agitator. It has the standard dual action agitator and still appears to be doing a pretty decent job of tumbling the clothes. It appears that this one blanket over here off to the left is being quite stubborn, but still, it is getting it. There it goes. It's now being slowly but surely sucked down. But moreover, it seems that the higher water level just was a temporary thing, induced by the blankets having air in them and forcing the water level up. As we can actually see, it's dropped back down. But it still appears to be just slightly higher, just slightly higher. And it looks like that's just about all the agitation we're going to get. Note the final water level. This is deep fill, max fill, as high up as the water will ever go. We are now entering the final spin. This is the high speed one, which may experience some problems. What we're going to do is we're not going to touch it or adjust it at all, and we're going to see how it performs. And here we go. Yep. And it's gone. Let's see. I mean, this all ended up on one side, which appears to be the main problem. Again, this is no unfamiliar thing for me. At least. Trying to figure out which end is which. And how we can rotate this thing back around so it's on balance with everything. I see, it's been like that. Okay, so this is the top. This side is going to go down there, and right there, and this is going to go like that. There we go. This should be good. Let's give it a quick test. Looks like that might suffice. What? It canceled the cycle. Alright, take two. Must have not liked how I spun it. Try again. This one might get a little bit shaky. This is a different test of the GTW465 washer's deep fill function. We'll go ahead and see how high up it fills. That is deep fill.